How to sign up for Freshbooks affiliate program. In this video, I will show you how you can sign up for Freshbook affiliates program. It's very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to just visit this Freshbook website, which you can just go from any browser, and in your keyboard you have to find affiliate program. It's very easy thing to do. In your keyboard you have to just press Ctrl plus F and you will get this search bar and just type your affiliate. Once you do it, it's always present in the bottom, but if you don't find, then you can always find this Ctrl plus F button and just click on affiliate program once you find it. So here we are into this Freshbook affiliate program. So you have to just scroll a little bit down and you will find an option to join the affiliate program. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you, not a member, sign up today. So you have to sign up, right? And this is through by a sale, share or shell, right? So you have to just click on here. So I will just type here my name, right? And here I have to just enter my password. So let me just fill all the information in just few seconds. Then guys, you have to click on the next, and once you click on the next, here you have to enter all the information here. So we have already created our username, and once we created our username, you have to create a password for share or shell, right? So I will just copy paste. I will like to have my all the credential exactly same what I have entered for the Freshbooks and share or shell, right? So just enter all the information here. And once you enter all the information, click on step 2. Once you click on step 2, it will just load for a few seconds here. So let's wait, and here we have to verify, of course we are human, right? And once we verify, you have to again just wait for a few seconds, and here it will show you have to enter your each and everything. So it will ask you that where you are promoting this Freshbook, and so you have to enter your website name or website URL. And if you're a YouTuber, then you have to enter your channel URL, and here you have to again fill up all the information. So once you click step 3, and once you are done with all these steps, it's very mandatory, so you have to of course enter it here. So guys, I've entered all my information, and here you have to enter your email address, and then you are done. So I've entered my email address, and I will just click on step 4, and every information I've added is filled up. So once you fill up all this information, this is basically your personal information, then you will get a mail over your email address. Once you're accepted into the Freshbook affiliate program, then you are done. You will get the interface of the share or shell, and you can just promote Freshbook over your website or YouTube channel wherever you want. So this is pretty easy thing to do. I hope you found this video very useful.